All right, today is the big day. Hey everybody, this is Matt from workanywhere.life. And you see behind me, there are windows. Oh my gosh. All right, getting this house ready for the open house today, which is very exciting, very stressful and all that, was a major effort. Oh my gosh. So as you can see, there's lots and lots of windows. So we hired a window cleaner yesterday to come in. He did a fantastic job. We hired a cleaning woman to come in. She did a great job. It was 3 days to clean this house top to bottom. You have no idea how big this house is, right? It's just massive. And the so we spent I don't even know how many days cleaning out the house. It was crazy trying to get 23 years worth of junk out of this house. But now it's actually like an episode of Love It or List It. The place looks really nice. It's clean, it's neat, it's organized. It's cleaner than it's been since we moved in, honestly, because we never do windows. So thank God for Ben who did the windows and Chantel who did the cleaning, because we can't do it. In fact, that's the reason why we're selling the house, is it is simply too much house now that we're empty nesters. And it's actually kind of weird to say we, because I finally took the wedding band off. The divorce is final, and it's not even we anymore. She's already moved out. I'm here all by myself in this house trying to get it ready for sale, and it echoes because it's so empty. There's no bodies. There's hardly any furniture left. It's just nuts. In any case, so stress. This morning, I get up 5 a.m. like I always do. I know it's Saturday. I'm up at 5 a.m. regardless. Tomorrow's Sunday. I'll be up at 5 a.m. again too. I wish I didn't need to, but that's my body. I start putting things back together, like the inserts for the windows, right? The inserts over here. And then I noticed that there was an ant. I said, no big deal. It's an old house. We're used to that. And then I look around and there's not just one. All of a sudden, the day of the open house, there's an ant infestation around the fireplace over here in the dining room, right? And it's like, so I got to bring out the ant spray, the vacuum, oh my God, like I don't need this right now. This is a little, it's going to drive me over the edge. One more thing. That's all I need is one more bug, and I am going to go absolutely nuts getting ready for this open house. All right. So now we haven't even looked at the pool area this morning yet, but that's coming up next. Please pray that the open house goes well today, and that we get a really good offer on the place. Like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, please. And I'll tell you how it goes. I'll tell you how the open house went, even though I'm not allowed to be here during that. I have to leave. I have to flee my homeland while they're selling it. All right, see you soon.